Welcome back to the channel. We're working on the 53 Moline UB today. I'm working on the distributor. To get the distributor out, you gotta take this bolt out here, and there's a bolt that goes up to here. Take them out, and of course unhook your coil and get that in your distributor cap. Get that out of the way. Then you can just take the whole distributor out. The first thing you want to check on a Moline is the gear. Make sure it's good, because they've been known to wear down to hardly nothing or break. So this one here looks good. And get the gear off. You got to grind off this little pin right here and drive it out. And I'll get that off and bring you back. Okay, I got the pin out. And I took a little brass punch and tapped on that and pulled the gear off. Now we'll take this plate out and the points and everything, and straight screwdriver. It helps if you have a magnetic screwdriver. Oh, we gotta take that. You gotta take that little bolt off there. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay. We gotta take this screw out, that screw out. I already took that side out, the other clip. Get this plate out, the plate out down here. And then we gotta take this out too. It's probably a good idea to replace this if yours is brittle or broken, cracked. You can get them at Brilman, B-R-I-L-L-M-A-N, and other places. Hang on, let me get a wrench. Take this out. It's got a little notch in it. Goes in there, keeps it from turning. Alright. The reason I'm taking my distributor out today is because my flyweights in there, I think, are stuck. I'm going to pull it out here and see. I gotta clean all that up. It's right down in there. You can see in there. Kind of a lot of crud in there. Here's the 1953. That'd be what? 73 years old. Or I mean 71 years old. 71 years old, a lot of time for crud. Dirt, stuff. That's the points plate that points go on. Yep, I think she's locked up in there. So, we need to get that moving. Alright, let me work on that. I'll be back in a minute. Okay. I got the flyweight loosened up, and this here was stuck. You're supposed to be able to... It's supposed to turn separate from the shaft. Mine was stuck. So now it's loose. Now we're going to put the point plate back in. 3 screws. Kind of a little rascal. There we go. It's always good to have a little pick. goes that away. Tight. 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 Don't forget to put your insulator back in here. So, okay. You can see that's worked pretty good. This right here, not so bad. I'm gonna sand it real quick. Okay. Got the points of condenser in. Looking good. Everything's moving free. Now, we'll set the distributor back in. Give me a second. Okay. We got the points in, like I said. Got the gear on. We're going to install this. And I had it marked right here with my rotor pointing right there. So we should be okay on timing. We'll find out. I can move this a little bit here. So yeah, that's where we want it. The bolt goes up from the bottom. Stud goes down from the top. Nine sixteenths. Yeah, if you got a Moline UB with this style distributor in it, it's good to check it and make sure your shaft's not getting galled up in there or locked up in there. Because they have been known to do it, and they'll eat the gear off the bottom. They will eat the gear. Somebody was making new gears for them, but they're not cheap. They're like 75 bucks for a new gear. They might be more than that now. But you don't want to change it if you don't have to. Yeah, make sure this is loose right here. Mine was stuck, so I had to take it apart to fix that. Yeah, because the Moline's not like most tractors where you can just pull the distributor straight out. You got to take this bolt off and this bolt off to pull this whole plate up, get it out of there. Just tighten it back down. This part doesn't move down here, it's just the distributor moves with these two bolts right here. Just set your timing with. Alright, let me button this up, I'll bring you back in a minute. Alright, I got it all buttoned up. Caps on, coils on, bolts are started. I got it a little bit loose, so I can adjust it. Let's see if it'll start right there. Started, but I think it's a little bit fast. Right there. Now the market is the timing light on it. Well, I had to wrap this up for the breaking the distributor loose. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we'll be back with some more Moline stuff in a little while.